Instead, you know you can get 25 grams of protein from a single plant-based meal. No chicken, no eggs, no protein powder. Stick with me, because by the end of this video, I'm going to show you exactly how. Hey, welcome back. Today we're diving into whole food plant-based recipes, high-protein style real food, simple ingredients, and meals that actually keep you full and help you build muscle or lose weight. I'm going to walk you through 4 protein-packed meals, give you my best meal prep tips, and share one protein secret at the end that most people completely overlook. Let's get into it. First up, the crispy tofu power bowl. This one is one of my favorite high-protein vegan recipes, and it comes together in about 25 minutes. You need firm tofu, brown rice, spinach, and tahini sauce. That's it. The key to getting tofu right is drying it out before you cook it. Press it between paper towels for about 10 minutes. Then, cut it into cubes and roast it on high heat until it gets golden and crispy on the outside. Once you do this, you'll never go back to soggy tofu again. Combine everything in a bowl. The rice on the bottom, the tofu on top, a handful of spinach, and drizzle the tahini sauce all over it. This one bowl gives you around 28 grams of protein. That's the same as a full chicken breast from a completely plant-based meal. But the next recipe is even easier, cheaper, and honestly, it has more protein than most people expect. Recipe number 2 is red lentil soup. Lentils are honestly one of the most underrated plant-based proteins out there. 1 cup of cooked lentils gives you 18 grams of protein and a ton of fiber that keeps you full for hours. If you're looking for high-protein vegan recipes for weight loss, this one is your best friend. Here's how you make it. Salt an onion and some garlic in a pot with a little olive oil. Add turmeric, cumin, and red lentils. Pour in vegetable broth and let everything cook for about 20 minutes. Then finish it with a squeeze of fresh lemon juice at the end. That lemon isn't just for flavor, it actually helps your body absorb the iron from the lentils better. 1 batch of this soup gives you 4 full meals. Make it once, eat it 4 times. That's the whole food plant-based meal prep dream right there. We're not even halfway through, and it keeps getting better. The next recipe has one ingredient that most people sleep on, even though it contains all 9 essential amino acids. Recipe 3, Quinoa Protein Bowl. Quinoa is one of the very few plant foods that's a complete protein, meaning it contains all the essential amino acids your body needs. 1 cup of cooked quinoa gives you 8 grams of protein on its own. But when you add chickpeas, avocado, and hemp seeds on top, you're looking at around 22 grams in one bowl. This is one of the best whole food plant-based dinner ideas for protein because it's fast, it's filling, and it's perfect for meal prep. Cook a big batch of quinoa on Sunday, and you'll have the base for multiple meals all week. Recipe for Smoky Chickpea Stew. Chickpeas are the secret weapon for cheap, high-protein plant-based meals. 1 can of chickpeas costs almost nothing and gives you about 15 grams of protein plus a huge amount of fiber. For this stew, salt garlic and onion. Then add canned tomatoes, chickpeas, smoked paprika, and cumin. Let it all simmer together for about 20 minutes. The smell alone will make you hungry. Serve it with a slice of whole grain bread, and that combination is actually part of the big protein secret I'm about to share. Before we get to meal prep tips, there's one thing I need to tell you about first. It's the single most important thing in this whole video, and it will completely change how you think about plant-based protein. Okay, the protein combination's secret. Some plant foods are low in one amino acid but high in another. But when you pair the right foods together, you create what's called a complete protein. Chickpeas with whole grain bread, lentils with rice, tofu with quinoa. These combinations cover all your amino acids and give your body everything it needs. And here's the best part, you don't have to eat them in the same meal every day. As long as you're getting a variety of plant proteins throughout the day, your body will put the pieces together on its own. It's smarter than you think. Now let's talk about making all of this actually work in real life. Pick one day a week. Sunday works great. And cook a big batch of quinoa lentils and chickpeas all at once. That gives you the base for 4 or 5 days of meals. Then all you do is switch up your sauces and vegetables each day. Tahini one day, spicy tomato the next, curry the day after. It feels like different meals every day, but you only cooked once. For a whole food, plant-based breakfast, high-protein option. Mix quinoa with coconut yogurt and chia seeds the night before and put it in the fridge. Wake up in the morning and breakfast is already done. No cooking, no stress, and about 18 grams of protein before you even start your day. Alright, let me bring it all together. Tofu, lentils, chickpeas, and quinoa. Those 4 ingredients are the foundation of every healthy plant-based protein meal. Add meal prep to your routine. Use the protein combination method, and you will hit your protein goals every single day. Without any supplements or animal products. If this video helped you, hit that like button. It really does help us reach more people. And subscribe so you don't miss the next video, which is going to be all about building muscle on a plant-based diet. I'll see you there.